In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put images side by side in Constant Contact. Let's get started right inside your Constant Contact account. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel with different options. Find the section called Channels and click it to expand the menu. From there, choose Emails. This is where all of your email campaigns live. Next, look through your email list and find the specific email where you want to place images next to each other. When you've found it, look to the right side of that email's row and click Edit. That will open the email in the editor so you can make changes to its layout and content. Inside the editor, focus again on the left panel. This is where you'll see all the different blocks you can drag into your email. Make sure you're on the Build tab. Scroll down until you see a section called Layouts. Within Layouts, look for the option labeled 2 columns. This layout is perfect for placing images side by side. Click and drag the 2 columns layout into your email and drop it exactly where you want those side by side images to appear. You'll now see 2 columns in your email, each with its own block, usually starting with text blocks. If you don't want any text there, click directly on one of the text blocks. When it's selected, you'll see a set of icons appear next to it. Click the trash can icon to delete that block. Repeat the same process for the text block in the other column. Once both text blocks are removed, you're left with 2 empty areas that are ready for image blocks, side by side. To add your first image, click on the image block in one of the columns. This will open image settings and options on the left panel. Here you can choose whether to upload an image from your computer, select one from your Constant Contact library, or pull something in from Canva. For this example, let's choose the library option. A pop-up window will open, showing the images already stored in your account. Select the image you want to use, then click Insert. Now do the same thing for the other column. Click the image block, choose your source again, select the image you want, and click Insert. You should now see your 2 images sitting neatly side by side in the email. From here, you can fine-tune everything using the settings on the left panel. Adjust spacing, alignment, links, and any other styling options so your side-by-side images look exactly the way you want.